Hello, hi and welcome back. So today's video is going to be some wig reviews. I got sent some wigs and I'm about to go to work, so I just thought now's a good time while I've got a face on to try a bunch of wigs on. Getting to this makeup as well, like we probably really should have recorded this would have been cool. I didn't expect it to turn out so cool and like simple and graphic. I'm doing this like very all red look. I'm gonna try and like wear some balloons on my head and try and go for some like whole beads thing. But I can still wear one for this video. So, Imstyle wigs, let's get straight into it. They got in touch with me. I've done a video of one of their wigs before to my channel and it was good. It was a good time. We had a good time. Obviously Halloween is coming up, so it's going to be the time where everyone is dressing up and doing costumes and is going to be wanting to wear wigs. Here's a couple of their selection. Firstly, every wig comes with little pamphlets and some wig caps. Love wig caps. You know, I'm actually going to throw a couple wig caps on now, just kind of squash all this hair down. Oh, and each one has two. Perfect. I like to wear two. I hope these ones stretch enough to fit my big head. First one, I'm going to wear that just all the way back to my actual hairline and flatten my hair out. I look really chic with no hair. I'm going to throw in a wig grip just to kind of help hold them in place. I feel like it really just snatches my face back and just feels lovely. So I've got 3 wigs to go through, so let's try the first one. Comes in the pouch, comes in a bag, comes in a net. And then, so this first one I've got is a lovely kind of streaky blonde with loads of hints of purple in it. I'm thinking of doing like a purple look soon, so I'm going to wear this for it. So this one is called the Rainbow Long Straight Synthetic Lace Front Summer Wig. Got all sorts of colours in it. I could see some blue and some pink, which makes like purple. The base wig, I want to say blonde, but you know, it actually might be grey. It's really pretty. So I'm going to get some scissors and I'm going to cut the lace off all these wigs before I put them on, because I'm going to be cutting the lace off anyway, so I may as well. I love when you get a new wig and it's just so like soft. It reminds me of like a human wig almost. These are all synthetic though, which means you're not paying that ridiculous human wig price point. Oh, I love this lace. It's almost invisible, like that just looks like it's growing out of my head. Nice little lift at the front as well, which is lovely and cute. I would glue it down normally. You can see where the lace is lifting a little bit. I'm not going to glue this one down because I'm going to take it off in a minute. Oh, it's so soft, it's smooth. Look at how my brush just glides through it. Unique, pretty, lovely colour as well. Wow. Oh yeah, I can see all the streaks. It's like pink and then some neon and then blue and then purple. It's really pretty. I think I can do some really fun things with this wig. I imagine how it would look in like a twist or like an updo or something. But even down, this is gorgeous. So here's the length of it. Okay, so this is the first wig. So they say their wigs are for fashion, cosplay, anime, and more, and I completely agree with that, because you look, this is the kind of stuff you got. They've got loads of colourful wigs on their website. Even if you just want some inspiration, I would highly recommend checking out their website. There's so many fun wigs there, and I thought I wanted to get a fun wig. Like, it's nice to get, like, ultimately wearable wigs, but I thought, I'm gonna get a fun one, so... Oh, I feel gorgeous in this. And on their website they have pictures of other people wearing them, so you can kind of see like what it actually looks like as well, and that's just always nice. So it's got a full lace front with a really good lace. I mean, just look at that. Yeah, and it goes around the whole front of the head. The wig's made of a heat-resistant fibre, so you can, you know, use normal styling on it. This is approximately 24 inches in length. Straight hair texture. And has an average cap size, about 22.5 inches. Oh, just so pretty. Oh. This is how it would look, say, if I wanted to wear it behind my ear. You just kind of, you stick this to your head, maybe trim it around your ear if it's too big or too small, and then look at that, yeah. Okay, who's next? Oh, I'm very curious to see how this one looks. Now, not immediately my usual. I've got a dark wig, black, brown, very brunette, with a nice kind of wave to it that looks lovely, but it's got these blonde streaks at the front. You know the way everyone has these like blonde money pieces these days? I want a wig like that. Normally with synthetic hair it's impossible basically to dye synthetic hair. You have to buy it like that or go through some like pure thing and make it yourself. Some of us just don't really have the skills for that. Could have tried it with a human wig and just bought a human wig and then dyed and bleached that, but it would have just been a whole thing. But then I saw this on their website, so I thought, there you go, that's the wig I want, I'll just do that. Just gonna cut the lace off and I'll try it on. You can see on this one as well, it's quite full, but this is a T-part, so it's not got a full lace front. The actual front is also lace of about half an inch, so you can still like wear it back, but the actual parting, it has got this really nice deep parting which will like really sell it. It's looking like so real, but it's a T-part, which means that it's fixed to the middle of the wig. So if you wanted to change your parting, you would not be able to make use of the full lace parting. You would have to either use it somewhere else on the wig or just pull the wig slightly to the side. Sometimes that works if it's like a hairstyle that lets you get away with that. So yeah, I don't too often do dark hair, and I even less often do wavy hair, so this is quite a departure for me. So I think I'm going to straighten this when I want to properly wear it. For now, you get the idea, and I do love just how like cool and contemporary and modern these like hair pieces are. Let's give it a little bit of a brush. The waves do give it some really nice body, and it almost has like a vintage vibe to it because of the waves, but I think that's just because I'm not too used to waves, you know? And they call this one Dark Brown Highlights Wave Lace Front Daily Party Wear Women Wig. So there you go. Okay, and then next up is this blonde wig. It was kind of a wild card one, so I didn't actually specifically request this one. Just letting them kind of give me whatever. And then this blonde one turned up, and I mean, I can always do with a blonde wig. There's always things I can do with a blonde wig, and it's a really light blonde. It makes me look so tanned, so here it is on. It's lovely and it's perfect. It's got a lovely full lace front. Again, this one almost looks and feels like it's human. It's so soft, it's so long. I feel like really Versace vibes when I'm wearing it here. And yes, this is a different video clip from a different video. Just pay no attention to that. It's blonde, it's lovely, and it's so pretty. I look good. I went out in it after this, and I had so many compliments. And I was like, oh, is that a new wig? Where's that wig from? That's lovely, blah, 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 you know. Yeah, there we go. Another one I'm happy with. And honestly, basically, that is all for me. That's 3 wigs, so I hope they give you some kind of inspiration for things you could do for Halloween or around the dressing up season, but it doesn't have to just be for that. Obviously, October's a good time to bring this up, but you could do anything. Just notice this wig has these little baby hairs as well that I haven't even done anything. I even put them there. They're just kind of automatically there, really hiding the lace very well. This website has some good lace. But that's all for me, so please check out their website, Imstyle Wigs. I want to say thank you again to you guys for sending me these wigs. I obviously appreciate getting free wigs, and if you are someone who's doing something like that and you want someone on YouTube to give you a review, I'll do it. Love reviewing things, love letting everyone know what I think. I like being able to give out good advice and let people know where they can find things and wigs and stuff. And I also, obviously, enjoy getting free stuff. Especially if it's something as nice as wigs like these. So you can follow me on Instagram if you want to see all my pictures and stuff, and that's where I will be posting pictures of me in these wigs. You can keep up with all of that. Let's check out the description for all their information and their social media, their websites and all that. There's always offers on their website as well. There's always some sort of discount code floating around. So get yourself on there, save yourself some money and get yourself a new wig. And let them know Ava sent you, because that just sounds better for me. Thank you for watching this video. Like the video if you liked it. You don't have to, but if you did, please do. Subscribe if you want to see future videos, ring the bell to get notification when that happens, but also in the meantime check out all of the videos on my channel. I have tons of videos, makeup tutorials, wig reviews, product reviews, transformations, full unedited transformations, male to female things, chats, and just, you know, I'm a cool person and I make content and I want you to like me, so if you don't, let's get started and do it. Do have to go to work now, so I'm going to take this off and then dress like a bunch of balloons. I'm going to look very weird. It's going to be fun. So, thank you for watching. Bye.